This is a profitable pocket option tutorial for beginners. So if you are new in pocket option and if you want to make profit like this, then watch this video till the end. So in this video, we are going to talk about the social trading feature of pocket option. So in this social trading, you could have literally copied these trades automatically into your pocket option without you placing trade by yourself manually. You could have automatically copied this trade and made profit like this if you could have known about this social trading feature earlier. So if you are new in pocket option, then listen to everything that I'm going to say you in this video. So all of the VIP member who have copied these trades have made profits, and you can also make profit in upcoming days. For that, you simply need to join my free Telegram channel and see the latest instructions there on how you can start to copy my these trades by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option. Once you follow that instructions, then you will get my UID that will be used to copy my trades. Once you get that UID, then simply log into your Pocket Option account and simply click on social trading. Okay, but before that, you notice one thing. Okay, I only make $200 per trade in each trade. That doesn't mean you need to copy $200 per trade. Okay, you can copy anywhere from $2 to $200, any amount that you want to copy. I'll show you how you can do that setup in this social trading. So once you have got my UID, just click on this social trading. And also we make 3 trades per day. Okay, I was about to forget to tell that. Now just click on this social trading and you can see you can literally copy any of these people. Okay, you just need to click on this. Okay, and you can see the copy feature. You just need to click on copy, and if you want to copy 100% of each trade, you just need to increase or decrease this copy in proportion in this way. Okay, whatever amount you want to copy, you can literally copy, and once you change this copy in proportion, simply click on confirm and you will start to copy the trades. So a UID looks like this. Okay, this person's UID is this. So let's copy it for now. So once you have gone to this social trading, then click on here and click on search. Now you have our UID, okay, and paste that UID in this way. So now this is not our UID, okay. I'm just showing you it as an example. So once you paste this UID, a name will appear at here, and just click on that name, and you'll see the same dialog box at here. Now, just click on copy. So as I have already told you, we only make $200 per trade in each trade. So you can just simply change this copy in proportion. If you want to copy $2 per trade, just make it 1%. If you want to copy $20 per trade, then just make it 10%. Okay. So in that way, you can increase or decrease any amount that you want. So once you have done this much, then I would suggest you not to touch any of these 3 boxes. Okay, because if you touch any of these 3 boxes, then all of the trades may not get copied, because lots of VIP member who have made changes to this have been complaining me that their trades are not being copied. So don't touch it. Okay, and I have already told you we only make $200 per trade in each trade. So you will copy the exact proportion that you want to copy, and in a specific day we make only 3 trades. That means 3 trades will only be copied, so there will be no any over trading or that kind of activities. But let's say if you are still scared and you have like $1,500 in your account, okay, and you just only want to risk, let's say, $1,000 in our copy trading service, then what you can do is you can withdraw your $534. So if there will be no any balance in your account, then if you fear that we may do some over trading, then that kind of fear will be erased from your mind. Okay, you can do that, but do not touch any of these boxes, and just simply click on confirm, and you will start to copy our trades automatically by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option.